Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for your body's overall health: morning detox routine. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from the environment, processed foods, and daily stress. This buildup of toxins can lead to decreased energy levels, digestive issues, and a weakened immune system. That's where the morning detox comes in. By incorporating a morning detox routine into your daily life, you can effectively cleanse your body, improve your health, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. The benefits of a morning detox routine are numerous. It jumpstarts your metabolism, aids in digestion, boosts your immune system, increases energy levels, and promotes healthy weight loss. Additionally, a morning detox helps to clear your mind, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being. Let's take a closer look at each benefit. A morning detox can work wonders for your metabolism, helping to speed up the process of converting food into energy. This is particularly beneficial if you struggle with weight management or feel sluggish throughout the day. For instance, drinking warm water with lemon juice upon waking can stimulate the release of digestive enzymes and promote better digestion. Similarly, practicing yoga asanas like Konasana 3 or Ustrasen can invigorate your body and boost your metabolic rate. These morning rituals not only kickstart your metabolism, but also set the stage for a more active and energetic day. Proper digestion is crucial for extracting nutrients from food and eliminating waste. A morning detox routine can significantly aid in this process by preparing your digestive system for the day ahead. Let's explore some effective ways to support healthy digestion in the morning. First, consider incorporating a teaspoon of chia seeds soaked in water overnight into your breakfast. Chia seeds are known for their high fiber content, which can help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Additionally, practicing morning yoga asanas such as Paschimottanasana or Arthanasana can stimulate digestive organs and promote efficient digestion. By prioritizing digestive health through these practices, you can ensure that your body extracts maximum nutrients from your meals and eliminates waste effectively. Your immune system is your body's defense against illnesses and diseases. A morning detox routine can help strengthen your immune response and protect you from harmful pathogens. Let's discover how to boost your immunity through morning rituals. One effective approach is to consume a nutrient-rich breakfast that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables. For example, a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts provides a combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support immune function. Additionally, practicing morning meditation can help reduce stress, which weakens the immune system. By incorporating these immune-boosting practices into your morning routine, you can empower your body to fight off illnesses more effectively and maintain overall good health. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to tackle the day with vitality. This is the transformative power of a morning detox routine. By committing to a morning detox, you invest in your well-being and lay the groundwork for a healthier, more vibrant you. So why wait? Start your journey towards a better, brighter you with a morning detox today. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Now let's dive into the key steps involved in creating an effective morning detox routine. The first step in your morning detox routine should be hydration. When you wake up, your body is naturally dehydrated after several hours without water. It's essential to rehydrate your system to kickstart your metabolism and aid in the removal of toxins. Begin by drinking a glass of warm water upon waking up. You can further enhance the detoxifying effect by adding a squeeze of lemon juice or a few slices of cucumber. Lemon juice provides a boost of vitamin C, aiding in the detoxification process, while cucumber adds electrolytes and minerals. Incorporating physical activity into your morning routine can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your detox. Gentle exercises such as yoga asanas, stretching, or a light jog can help stimulate circulation, promoting the movement of toxins out of your body. Choose activities that you enjoy to make it more likely that you'll stick with them. For instance, practicing yoga asanas like Konasana 3 or Utkatasana can help eliminate toxins through twists and bends, while light jogging can improve blood flow. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your exercise over time. Nourishing your body with the right foods can further support your detox goals. Begin your day with a wholesome breakfast that includes a combination of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. For example, a nutritious breakfast can be oatmeal with berries and nuts, or a vegetable omelette with whole grain toast. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your body's natural detoxifying processes. By fueling your body with wholesome foods, you provide the necessary nourishment for optimal detoxifying and overall health. In addition to diet and exercise, incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation can greatly benefit your morning detox routine. Meditation helps calm your mind, reduce stress, and promote relaxation, which are essential for allowing your body to detoxify effectively. Start with a few minutes of quiet meditation upon waking up, focusing on your breath and letting go of distractions. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase the duration of your meditation sessions. Over time, this practice can help you cultivate a deeper connection between your mind and body, enhancing your overall well-being. While these steps offer a comprehensive guide to creating a morning detox routine, it's important to recognize that individual needs may vary. Consider consulting with a healthcare professional or a certified detox specialist who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific requirements. They can help you tailor your morning detox routine to suit your unique circumstances and ensure that it aligns with your overall health goals. Creating a morning detox routine is a transformative habit that can revitalize your body and set the tone for a healthier day. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can effectively cleanse your body, boost your energy levels, and improve your overall well-being. Whether you choose to start your day with hydration, gentle exercise, nutritious foods, or mindfulness practices, each step contributes to a holistic approach to detoxifying. Embrace these practices and witness the positive impact they can have on your health and vitality. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to establishing a morning routine. Start with small changes and gradually build upon them, making them sustainable long-term. As you witness the benefits of a morning detox routine, you'll be inspired to continue nurturing this habit. It's an investment in your well-being that will undoubtedly yield significant returns. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to like and share it with your friends and family. We value your support and would love to have you as part of our community. Together, we can prioritize our health and well-being and spread awareness about the importance of a morning detox routine. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and let's embark on this path to wellness together.